going?
We are at Lake Mead National Recreational Area in Nevada. On Lake Mead. We're camping out right on Lake Mead.
Yep.
In this park is a trail. It's a walking trail and a bike trail. And it used to be an old railroad line. So now we're going to take the bikes out on this railroad line.
Yeah, and so it took us a while to get going because we almost had to go back because we forgot the keys.
we left the keys to the bikes in the RV. Started going back and then realized we have a spare key.
We have a spare key in the car.
Keys in the car for it, so we're done.
Turned around, and then we had to put air in the tires.
Yeah, the tires are real low.
Really low.
So
And
luckily
then,
we had the pump. The pump was in the
new
car.
New pump, yeah. And that's so apparently he likes it. So yeah, we're gonna get ready and go on the trail and come along with us and see what it's like.
See where the trail leads to.
Yeah.
Just an itty bitty ditty about a couple on the road, driving an RV, pulling a toad. No place special to roam, not looking for a home. Won't you come along with us? We are RPlaceTravels.
what'd you think of the bike path?
It was beautiful. Had a little hard time with the drop-offs on the side, but it was worth it. What do you think?
Yeah, it was pretty cool, I think. It's about a 15-foot wide gravel path. Most of it was a mountain on one side and a drop-off on the other. There were some spots where it was a drop-off on both sides,
Yeah, I had a hard time with those.
which made it a little rough for Nana, especially on the bikes.
Yeah. I don't do well with drop-offs or feet on the rim or anything like that, but I'm getting, I mean, I'll do it. I'm getting better.
She's facing her fears.
I am. All right.
Well, it's pretty cool going through the tunnels and stuff like that. It
Yeah.
used to be a railroad. I guess when they were building the Hoover Dam, that's where they brought in all the supplies. That railroad. So
Yeah, which is really nice. I mean, they've got they have posters on all the way going up, telling you a little bit about the animals that are there and how they actually did the tunnels, all kinds of stuff. That the information is kind of interesting. The thing that surprises me is that if you look behind us, Lake Mead is right behind us. You look at it. We were just saying it. Everything looks like desert, and there's water in the middle, and it almost looks fake. And that because it's something that's so beautiful out in the middle of the desert. So if you get out this way, you should come and take a look at it.
So a fun little walking path right here in good old
Lake Mead.
Lake Mead Recreation Area.
Actually, it's right on the outside of it.
Oh yeah, it is. Yeah, it's actually
not
outside the park,
It's outside the park.
which is funny. So's a visitor center.
Yeah, this is the first time we've ever had the visitor center outside the park too. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, and that. So.
So a nice way to kill an afternoon.
Yep.
Take the bikes out on the railroad path.
Yeah, and there's a lot of the parking is actually full, and I can't imagine what it will look like on the weekend. We're here on a Thursday.
Visitor center, that's where they park. When this little parking is full, they go over there and park.
Yeah, there's what, like 25 spots, and then they got big spots for RVs. If you have an RV, you can actually get in and park here if there's an opening. So.
Okay. Signing out. RPlaceTravels.
Sorry, I was gonna do it.
It's okay. We put you in it.
People do that all the time.
Okay. Done?
Done.
Done. Say goodbye.
Bye.